Hello, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering, can you really launch a successful business while raising a family? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. I know it can be hard to find the time and energy while trying to juggle family life, work life, and even a social life, right? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the practical steps to starting a successful digital business without sacrificing precious time with your family. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family, because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to build my side hustles. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. And I felt like I had an expensive hobby because it was costing me more money to run these side hustles than I was actually earning. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you're wondering if it's really possible for you to launch a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025, I'm here to share with you some practical steps. Step number one is that you need to pick the right business model that suits you as a mom, as a beginner with your family commitments. I want to share with you how digital marketing is actually a high in demand skill. It was the fastest growing career of 2025. And it's a great business model because you just need to have the internet and a device, and you can actually work around your schedule. So most moms are on social media, right? You're liking and scrolling and commenting. This could be your opportunity to turn that scroll time, that time you spend doing that, to actually building your business by leveraging the social media platforms that you're already on right now. Okay. And the second step is most moms can get overwhelmed, right? Frustrated because there's just so much going on. And it's important for you to be able to follow, to break down, to see the big picture, yes, but to break down your tasks into small, manageable tasks, right? They say Rome wasn't built in a day. You don't eat an elephant in one bite, right? So you need to follow a proven step-by-step blueprint. For instance, one day you could spend, on day one, you could spend turning your social media profiles into storefronts, into ATMs, right? And then the next day you could start creating content, right? So you need to just break down your goal, your vision into small, manageable tasks. And then it's very important as an entrepreneur to surround yourself with a thriving community of people who are going to support you, inspire you, lift you up, motivate you, and to be able to get coaching and mentorship from people who've actually use the system that you're using to earn 6 and 7 figure earners, right? You want to, success leaves clues. You want to learn from people who have been where you are and who've actually gone on to achieve success, right? And the last thing is, if for you to actually have the time to spend with your family, right, you need to leverage the power of automation, right? You need to have an automated marketing system that's out there working for you 24/7 so that you get to spend your time doing the things that you love with your children. So what I want to do is I want to introduce you to, I'm going to share my screen here, and I want to share with you a community, a program that I'm part of that actually just kind of ticks all those boxes, right? We have a thriving community of 48,900 members. And we are, if you, as a member of this community, you can come in here, ask any questions, you'll be able to get support. You'll be able to get 165 members are on right now, answer you. So it's great. But what I love most about this is that we have a live interactive interactive coaching and mentorship every single week from 6 and 7 figure earners. So you see here today, this week here, we have mentoring at 9 o'clock. We have technical calls if you need help getting set up. And we have another mentoring call with Cecilia. She's a South African millionaire on Thursday, and so on and so forth, right? So you're not on your own. You actually have access to all this training and support that you need. And this here is our bonus site, by the way. We are getting ready to start this 90-day run where our millionaire mentor takes us by the hand and walks us step by step by giving us action steps, assignments to do every 90 days. It's absolutely amazing. So she's just introducing this. This actually starts tonight, today, 27th of January. Okay, so we have all this mindset training. We have replays of different mentorship calls you would have missed. They're all here. We have a content vault where you can download content, upload to your social media training. We have all this here, right? So you definitely will have all the support that you need. So I'm just going to finish off by sharing some wins that we've had recently. Jessica 2 days ago shared how she made 4,500 in just one day. Okay, just one day. That's absolutely mind-blowing. For Lake 7 hours ago, he made 1,800 within 48 hours of joining, right? For Lake, oh, she, congratulations, joined on Friday. What? Wow, she had a website, automated system up and running by Saturday, and she made 1,800. Just sharing some more financial wins. Alana, $100 on the beach today, another $100 after my live, right? That's 17 hours ago. Super Bowl, getting $900 ding while watching the Super Bowl. Let's see, did he get something? Oh, $900 Tim 8 hours ago while watching Eagles versus NFC Championship, right? Absolutely amazing. Yeah, my first wins. Sunday surprise Tracy 17 hours ago, $300 sell this morning while walking my dog, right? This is absolutely amazing. So we have a thriving community of like-minded entrepreneurs. We're supporting each other. We have a proven step-by-step blueprint. If you're looking into learning more, I invite you to click the link in the description to claim a free copy of our 10K in 30 days live interactive guide. And when I deliver the guide to your email, feel free to respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. Wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.